Hello everyone, today we would like to unbox a product that is called the Evolis Primacy. Soon after we open the box, the first thing we see is a quick operating guide. It has 2 pages. Then we got a power cord for the power adapter. Next up is the removable reject box, or should I say the reject box where rejected card will be dumped in there. It can hold up to 50 cards in it. So this is the power adapter. It is used to power up the device. Next up is your accessory kit. It's where you can find warranty card, USB cable, and a CD. The USB cable is for you to connect from the PC to the printer itself. So, next up, it is the Evolis Primacy. So, you're gonna click the top like this, then you open up. This is the printer head. It's very sensitive. So, this is where you put the ribbon. Close it back. So this is the card thickness adjustment gauge. It is where you adjust the thickness of the card that you want to print. And then this is the input feeder, the output hopper. Okay, the card came out. Okay, right now we are going to the back of the Primacy printer. As we can see, this is where your card rejected. This is your power cable socket, Ethernet connector, USB Type B, and USB Type A. Okay, in the next part is where I'll show you on how to open the side panel of Primacy. First, you open up the top and you click this clip and it will be open. There you go. The left side of the panel is finally open. Okay, next up, I'll show you on how to open on the right side of the panel. You do the same thing and you get the same result, which is click the clip over here. And there you go. The right panel of the Primacy just opened. Thanks for watching.